Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect a domain name. Once you log into your cPanel, click Domains in the top main menu. This will bring you to your domain manager, and you can now click Redirect from the submenu. To set up your redirect, you just have to complete this small form. First, you need to choose whether you want a permanent or temporary redirect, and then choose the domain that you need to redirect. You can also enter a certain directory if you want to redirect that. Now you're going to enter the address that you are redirecting to. Once you do that, you need to decide how you're going to redirect the page. You can choose to only redirect with www, redirect with or without it, or do not redirect it. You can also choose if you want to make your redirect a wildcard redirect. This would mean that you would redirect all files within the directory that have the same file name as the files in the redirected directory. Once you've selected all of your options, click Add this redirect. You can go back to your redirect page, and now you can see the redirect we've created under Current Redirects. If you ever need to remove the redirect, you can do that under Action. And that's how you would redirect a domain name.